Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 267. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, update your Roblox, open your Play Store, type here Roblox, press on update. If your Roblox already up to date, then go back. If not, then update. After that, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, search your Roblox, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence: this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data, and press on OK. After doing this, restart your phone, check your problem fixed or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall your Roblox, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix Roblox error code 267 in Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.